Hi all, in this video lesson we are looking into the song called Manike Mage Hithe. So the song is in the C sharp minor. So it starts with the slide. So we got to start with 6 to 9 slide. Then we pluck 9. Then we go 7, 7, 9 on the second string. So then again we start with the same slide. Then we go slide 9, 9. Then we go 7, 7 on the second string. Then 6 on the third string. So then we slide from again 6 to 9. Then end at 8th fret of third strings now. So from first. Again same thing. So just we start 6, 6 2 times. Slide again 6 to 9. Then end on 8. So then we go the first note, that is 6th fret on the third string. So that line, so we gotta go a 9th fret 2 times, then 7th fret on the second string. So 3 times on the 9th fret. So then we go 7 on the second string, back to 9 on the third string. So 3 times on the 9, 7 on the second, back to 9. So from here, yeah. Then we go 8, 6, 6 on the third string for the ending that line. So second time we start on the same 9th fret, having the same notes which is there on the 9th fret. 3 times, 7, back to 9. So now we go 8, 6, 8, 8 on the third string. So after this, so 2 times. Next we go. So this Manahari part, this we have. So we gotta go 8, 8, 9 on the third string. Then back to 8. So we gotta do 2 times. 8, 8, 9, 8, 8, 8, 9, 8. Then we gotta go a series of 8 now. 3 times on 8. Then we go 9, 8. Then we go 6, 6 on the third string, and then we go 9 on the fourth string. Then we come back to 6, 6 on the third string 2 times. So from here. Now let's see how it sounds, the whole thing here. So So now the chords for this is, we have C sharp minor, A major, B, then G sharp minor. So rhythm, we just follow the beat there. So we just go down, up, down, up. So we go down, up, but we gotta do the third stroke. We are like muting from the left hand here. So you gotta just release the pressure from the strings, so you get that muted sound. Then you gotta cut the sustain of the chord. Don't do that. Yeah, so that's the rhythm. So with the capo, if you wanna play, you can just put on the 4th fret, and it's like easy. You gotta play A minor, F, G, then E minor, keeping the same rhythm. Same that, down, up, just make sure that you mute the 3rd stroke.